Top of the mornings. Hi, how are you? Hi a lot. Hi very much. Hi please. How are you doing, girl? You doing good? You look good. You must be doing good. You know, when you look good, you probably doing the right things. So hope you've worked out. I just came from putting in my time. Now kwambia ngoja tu hiyo flat tummy ikuje. Prepare to be sick of me. And I warned you guys. I warned you. I'll start acting some funny, very funny. Nikipata flat tummy. And mnajua mimi nimekuanga nikivaa crop top since I was Winnie the Pooh, and I'm continuing with the theme. So anyways, what is all this happening for? Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Maria Kanga. I create content around lifestyle, travel, and girlhood. And pull up a chair, get you a glass of wine, do whatever, girl, do your biggest one. Made a bit of a haul. I just came from Naivas after gym. I got this orange juice for drinking. Drinking. Yeah. I got buns because I want to make some soup. I got the Melvin's lemon twist. You see it? Melvin's lemon twist. I got some chicken. Probably gonna make chicken curry. I'm not too sure, but I just picked it up. And then coffee. I got like 10 of these just to hold it down because I'm traveling next week, so I don't want to do shopping before I come back. So I just got some coffees. I like to drink coffee before I go to the gym. And my brother also takes coffee in the morning, so I bought some sachets for both of us to last the week. Then I also got a hot dog because you don't do grocery shopping and cook in the same day or in the same couple of hours. So anyway, I was just really craving a hot dog, so I got it. Yep, that's what I got in my little haul. Welcome back, girl. This is going to be a vlog where we are preparing to travel. Of course, by the time this goes up, definitely I think maybe I would even have come back, but it's the first trip I'm taking since I have turned 29, since I've opened my own business, as in it feels like a first time I'm traveling, really. Yeah, so that's what this vlog is gonna be all about. We are packing, we are just get ready type of mood. That's the mood this vlog is carrying. So welcome back. Make sure you watch till the end. Please subscribe if this is the type of content you want to see. Please unsubscribe if this is the type of content you don't like to see, because this is what I like to do. I'm in my shenanigans, so this is who I am. If you don't like it, feel free to unsubscribe, because I'm calling you to subscribe. Also, if you feel like this is not it, feel free to unsubscribe instead of throwing hate comments mbaya ama vitu kama hizo. It's easier for you if you unsubscribe if you don't like the content, you see. Yeah, so welcome back. I'll probably talk to you again maybe in the course of the day or tomorrow, but I don't know. I want to start picking up my outfit ASAP. Yeah, so yeah, talk to you guys later.
I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you what I get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we.
Hey guys, I'm coming at you from Lady Luck Shapewear. I am about to try on my beautiful Lady Luck pieces, and we are going on a journey. To find the best supportive bra out here. Okay? Yeah, watch this space. So guys, Lilian is the first to know, but you guys are zero. Unajua zero inakujaga before one. So nyinyi niliwaambia, but nyinyi mtajua later. But Lilian nimeshamwambia that we got our first brand deal. So waxing is the first order of business, sababu I mean, you know, hatuwezi kwa tunafanya hizi vitu kama tuko na like, you know, that's why you come to Lilian Bazaar 8th floor. You understand? Okay, let's get. Unakaa poa. Ulifanywa eyebrows wapi?
Zinakaa poa.
sana hata hizo lines. Wow, it's giving. Umekuwa fashionista. Itabidi nakwambia 2026.
Tunaingia na nguvu.
Mbaya mbovu, atucheki na watu.
No.
Tumekuja kuwachapa. So guys, waxing is done. Yay, I'm ready. Clean, nice and clean. Lilian Wax 254, Bazaar 8th floor. You had it here first.
So guys, tumemaliza waxing, tumefanya Brazilian, tumefanya armpit, tumefanya pia vajesho guys. Msisahau kubook appointment kwa hapa Bazaar 8th floor, wing A 807. Tunawapenda sana, tutawafanyia kazi safi. Done.
Period.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out with all that I crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
I know that you're trying, the boss is complaining, your phone's always ringing. Outside there's the cold wind, inside the monotony. Baby, we need an exit from this. Honey, we need that sweet release. I know it will feel them, the electric feelings. You and me all night, yeah, be alright. If you close your eyes, so close your eyes. Feel the sunlight, baby, we'll fly to Madrid. Wanna get away one night or two. Madrid, go outside, forget me and you. Fall in love 1 time, 2 times, 300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days. Now I got you warmed up, tell me you see it. Andalusian dancing, Spanish living, so we're believing, absorbed by the feeling. Baby, we need an exit from this. Honey, we need that sweet release.
So I've got my itinerary over here. I have all these things that I need to do. So I'm planning outfits based off of that this is my travel fit. When I get there, I'm gonna wear PJs. That's day 1 basically. Now day 2, I'm thinking day 2 I just want something chilled, just maybe a nice polite picnic at the beach. So I'm kind of thinking picnic at the beach, this maybe. Still I'm very in between thoughts right now, so I've not really figured what's what. My room is so messy, so let me touch base again with you guys tomorrow morning and wind up the packing. But I'm in it right now, so let me understand the madness, then I'll come and break down the madness to you. So good night, catch you tomorrow.